unfortunately, this one, if you're short, you're going to the bunker.
Man, the video looks so good. I don't know. The view is so nice. Fairway.
Are you sure that's 120?
Janice, where I am.
The wind is pushing. Yeah, the wind.
Oh, it's on the green.
Yeah,
Woo!
told you about 120, right, Chad? Yep. That's why I hit. No, I think somehow you might hit the grass in the awkward way. Yeah, there you go. Because when it popped out, it went left. Jen, birdie. What do you use?
Okay, let me look at my. Woo! Disaster. Okay, no damage.